everyone, welcome to my channel, The Urban Shine Makeup. I am Richa, and if you want to know how I got this beautiful brown smoky eye, then continue watching. Starting with the moisturizer, I have used Pond's Superlight Gel Moisturizer, which has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. It is a very nice moisturizer which feels light and it is not at all sticky, hence it gives a very nice base for the foundation. As primer, I have used this Colorbar primer. For my base, I have used Colorbar Skin Perfect foundation and I am in the shade 003 Nude Glow. This is a very nice foundation. It melts like cream on my skin. This foundation blends so naturally on my skin and leaves this beautiful dewy finish. Now, using a damp beauty blender, I am blending my foundation. Using short dab motion, I am pushing the foundation towards my skin. Using this technique, the foundation blends so naturally and perfectly. I love this foundation. I've been using this for a year or so now and it just works for me every time. I've never experienced any breakouts while using this foundation. Coming back to blending, blend your base perfectly. The real secret of the perfect base lies in blending. If you want that beautiful flawless finish, then all you have to do is blend. Before applying eyeshadow, I am prepping my eye with the Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser and I am in the shade Sand. Now using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, I will set my eyes. I am using Wet n Wild shadow in the shade Panther and gently pat it with a flat brush. Here I am just spreading the eyeshadow up till the crease and you may not need to be very precise doing so. Spread the shadow all over your crease and if you think that the shadow is looking very light, then you can take some more product. Just like I have done. Now I will repeat the same process to the other eye and spread the shadow. Now using the Sivana Colors Iconic Image Palette, I am using these two burnt oranges to fill in my crease. Starting with the crease line, all I am doing is mixing those brown with the black. Using the same color from the palette, I am creating a line over the crease and blending the two lines. With the help of a clean brush, blend both the colors so that no harsh lines are visible. Repeat the same blending technique with the other eye. Taking some more black color to make the lid more darker. Taking a small blending brush, I am mixing both the colors at the horizon. Now I am using Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake to fill in my brows and then using the spoolie to groom it. With the help of a thick brush, remove any excess fallouts. As a concealer, I am using LA Girl Pro Conceal and I am in the shade Pure Beige. With the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, I am making the under eyes. With the leftover powder on the beauty blender, I will set other areas of my face. With a puffy brush, remove all the excess powder from the under eyes. Run the same brush all over your face to get rid of any shininess. To line my eyes, I have used Lakme Insta Liner. To bronze my face, I have used the Faces Canada face palette. And as you can see, I am bronzing the area under my cheekbones. Blending it properly on both sides, leaving no harsh lines. Taking the same bronzer to contour my nose. Make two parallel lines. This would create a shadow-like effect and would make your nose look slender. Now, to add a pink hue, I have used the same Faces Canada palette blush and applied it all over my cheeks. I don't want my blush to look like a patch lying over my cheeks. I am blending it properly. As I am not using any false lashes, I will be using Maybelline Lash Sensational and Falsies Push Up Drama. I am using two mascara because the Maybelline Lash Sensational gives my lashes length and the Falsies Push Up Drama gives it ample amount of volume. Using Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter, I will be highlighting the high points of my face. This is a cult favorite highlighter and you can clearly see the reason why. Apply your highlighter over your cheekbones, your bridge of the nose, your cupid's bow. You can also apply your highlighter over your chin and areas on your forehead. Using the same highlighter and with a smaller brush, I will highlight my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. Doing so would make my eyes pop out. Using the same Sivana Iconic Image palette, I am taking two dark brown color to line the outer corner of my eyes. Repeating the same process with the other eye, I am just dragging the color to the mid of my eye. Now, taking the same brown color which I have used on the crease, I will line the inner corners of my eye. Mix the two browns, which is dark and light brown, in between, which would create a gradient like effect and would complete the whole eye look. I have completed full face look, but only one thing is left. So as to make my whole look complete, I am using Maybelline's Nude Nuance. It is a very nice mauvey nude lipstick which will suit on every skin tone. This makes my whole look complete. I wanted to try something different, hence here I am using my Lamb's Pink Daiquiri. I love the formula of this lipstick. It's a very nice creamy matte lipstick which does not make my lips dry. Now, to make my makeup last longer, I am using this makeup fixing spray. If you think this shade is too light for you, or if you want to wear this look at the night time, then you should try this Maybelline Superstay in the shade Ruler. This would make your look more glam. You can wear any lipstick of your choice if you think it goes with the look. All the products I have used in this video would be linked in the description box. If you like this video of my brown black smoky eye, then please like, share and subscribe. Or you want any other makeup video, then do comment in the comment box and tell me. Follow me on Instagram at @theurbanshine makeup. Thank you for watching this video.